Hey there, I'm Sarah. My day starts with the rising sun and the cheerful symphony of birds outside my window. I'm always eager to embrace the adventures that await. I love the feeling of the crisp morning air as I hit the pavement for a run. It's a perfect way to wake up and connect with the world. A nutritious breakfast fuels my day. I load up on fruits and yogurt, and a cup of herbal tea adds that extra burst of energy. Photography is my creative outlet. I find inspiration in the world around me, and the park is the perfect canvas for my lens. Lunch with friends is always a highlight. We exchange stories, sip lattes, and plot our next thrilling escapade. Art class is my sanctuary. It's where I can let my creative spirit run wild, and painting allows me to express emotions I can't put into words. Cooking is another passion of mine. I relish the process of creating something delicious from scratch. Stargazing is my nightly ritual. There's something enchanting about the vastness of the cosmos that puts life into perspective. As I lay down to sleep, I'm grateful for another day filled with adventure and creativity. Tomorrow holds even more possibilities, and I can't wait to see what it brings.